Bro, get that switch. Get it.
Boy, you dropped in though. I got no shot. Yo, what the? I'm dead.
How the fuck?
Bro, you took the truck over the cliff.
Oh,
why did you do that? I'm dead, bro.
Where's my car?
What's going on, my people? What's going on, YouTube? I am back at it again with another video, another Warzone video. This one is from the gameplay called Armored. Now, if you have not yet played Armored, I suggest that you do the next time it comes out. They have already taken that out. It comes on and so often. So when it does, make sure to check it out. Make sure you play. It is a very high-paced truck versus truck type of game. It is so high-paced. It is crazy. It is a lot of fun. Now, this one we just played. It was a lot of fun, as it always is. So just check it out. That little intro, stay tuned to see how we're able to come back from that. And we were able to come back from that in dramatic fashion. Little mishap, little hiccup, but it doesn't matter. You come back, you work as a team. Now, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like the video. If you want to keep up with my content, if you want to keep up with the channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you also follow me over on Twitch if you want to follow my live stream. Twitch.tv/Wilgard29. I'll be streaming there every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday nights starting at 10 p.m. But without further ado, watch the video. Stay tuned to the end because it's going to get crazy.
We got a good spot right here.
Oh, nice. Good drop, good drop. Alright, this I have a feeling about this.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Oh. Hold on, too.
Yeah, but that one's far.
I'm driving. On y va.
Put around here, get more money.
Buy the loadout, bro.
Marking new safe zone.
Buy the loadout.
Objectives updated.
Found a
Move
vendor,
to the
give
next
you supplies.
location.
Come on, we only got a minute 22 to move.
Next objective located.
Oh, what the?
Set a charge.
Wait a minute.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Grab back your trophy.
That.
All supply boxes found. Solid work. Trophy system deployed. I'm driving.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Get shit set up.
That's why I'm running. That's why I did that.
Oh!
Oh shit! Shoot!
He's got no gunner on him.
He's gonna get stuck. Fuck that guy.
I have found the vehicle.
Oh, there's a team. There's a team at that car. Bro, yeah. Come up to my way, cause there's a fighting right now.
Enemies are attacking your armored vehicle. Yeah.
Oh shit!
Where you going, bro?
Armored vehicle was under attack.
Oh shit! Yo, there's a lot of people here. I'm gonna keep going that way.
Moving.
You got someone to your left.
Be advised, enemy team is tracking your location.
Alright, we're in the circle.
Homie's getting tracked. They're tracking me.
Enemies are attacking your armored vehicle.
Where is those shots coming from?
This might be the best bet.
Hit that car. Hit this car right here. Hit him. Oh shit!
50 is still active. Continue the mission.
Yo, you're going into the gas, bro.
We're good.
Back up.
Yo, that's insane.
I think Demato's going for his he's going for their The loot.
Dog, that shit was crazy.
Yeah.
Hit him,
Car. It's a team. It's a full team. And a truck.
Oh yeah, I see the truck.
They all hopped off.
We can go above. Go above right here. Here I go. Get that shit, bro. Get that shit. Get it.
Whoa, you dropped in, though. I got no shot. Yo, what the? I'm dead.
How the fuck?
Bro, you took the truck
car
over
at?
the cliff. Why did you do that?
Alright. You're
Oh
going
my.
back in. You're going back in.
Where's my
You're going
car?
back in. You're going back in.
Somebody took my
What's
car.
next?
I'm dead, bro.
Rob,
Where's my car?
yeah.
Somebody
No,
took
back
my
in,
car.
bro. Shooting at that guy. Right there. You see him?
Yeah,
Going
but
straight
he's
for him,
behind
bro.
the wall. I got no shot.
He's got a sniper. Watch out. I'm trying to hide it like right here.
Whoa. Up top. Get us out of here. Get me out of here, bro.
Nah, it's the same people. It's the same people.
Hold up.
Man,
I gotta
that's
plate up.
that way, though.
I gotta plate up.
Alright. I got you covered. Go ahead. I'm covering you. I'm covering you. You gotta get out though, bro. I'm still behind. I'm in cover. Alright, he's coming in. Whoa, he's coming in. Whoa, he's on foot.
Where? You, get out of here, bro. Go, landmine. He's gonna blow it up. Oh, shit. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh.
Where you guys, bro? Where you at? Dude, you should have stayed, dude.
I didn't stay. I got hit, bro. You drove right into him.
I had to. That's the only way out right here.
Could have backed out. Should have backed up.
Damn, is the truck dead?
Two trucks up there. I don't think they're fighting each other. What the hell are they doing?
Bro.
No, the truck is still alive.
could-
The truck is still alive.
I could heal the truck if I can.
Nah, it's on critical. When it's on critical, I don't think you can, man.
Can't heal it?
You've got
Sure.
gas inbound. Safe zone
At least
relocated.
last time I tried, I couldn't.
Your armored vehicle has
They
been
just-
Dead
destroyed.
now.
Your squad is no
I gotta
longer
get to that
Oh,
buy
man.
station.
deployment.
I'm dead, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna try to fight these guys. Never mind.
Gotta
I'm
get to
going
that
out.
buy
Let's go to the
station.
gas. Oh shit.
Bro,
They
I'm the
got me.
savior.
I'm plating up.
Bro, I'm the savior.
I got away. We're gonna get stuck, man.
We're gonna get stuck in this
Oh.
Gas is
gas.
closing in.
No, we're not.
We're gonna get stuck.
Yeah, we're stuck. I'm stuck on foot.
Dale aquí, te mato. Dale para allá, dale. Oh shit! Wait, Rob, we got two right here.
Right,
Just take
yep.
it, just take it. Fuck it, take it, just take it. We're stuck on foot.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Oh, actually, it's slow. It's slow right now.
Well, here, hop on the turret.
I'm on. Go.
I'm on the gun.
Oh,
We're
shit.
stuck.
Stop.
We're stuck. We're fucked.
Your armored
Stuck.
vehicle's location is too dangerous.
Oh man, we
Redeployment
dead, dog.
authorization is temporarily
Oh
suspended.
no.
Gas is closing. Get to
I'm
the
not
new
dead.
safe
I'm
zone.
still here.
I'm dead.
Shouldn't have waited. Damn.
The truck is still alive. Let's see if we can come back.
Nah.
There's
it's too
three
late.
trucks left.
KIA, it's up to you.
Our
too
truck
late.
just blew up.
Your armored vehicle has been destroyed.
Damn.
Your squad is no longer
We got-
authorized for redeployment.
See if we get
Four
second.
enemies
Will, it's
remaining.
just you on
know
one
what
team.
to do.
That's it. You and 3 other people, Will.
Gas is moving.
They got a UAV. So you got ghost
If you can, wait, Will, if you
don't
could
have-
just wait it out. Wait, if you could just wait it out.
Bro, they got
there's a
UAV.
shit-
They got
Well,
UAV.
I know,
They
but
know where
I
he's
know,
at.
but listen. A lot of money down there at the bottom of the hill where we died, and there's a buy station too. You know what I mean?
They're on foot right now. I bet you they're on foot right now.
Some of
Probably
them.
got
That's
50.
even better for Will. Just chill.
They're tracking me. Look at that.
Yep, right there. He's in front of you, bro. They just dropped behind you.
Yeah.
Oh! 5 was still standing. Let's come back and win this.
Damn.
They hit us hard that time, but we'll settle the score.
I would have hopped off that hill.
All right, everybody, that is the video right there. Hella fun. We didn't come up with the win, but it was still very close. We got stuck in the gas. Sometimes it just plays out that way. But I'm glad you stuck out to the end. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, make sure you hit a thumbs up. Once again, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with every video that I'll be posting. Other than that, thanks for watching. Peace.